Hi guys, welcome to a new episode. Today we are in the Kobernausenwald, which is Austria's biggest forest overall, and was, not sure if yet, but it was Europe's biggest forest overall. So if you want to join us in this trip here in the Kobernausenwald, I would highly appreciate if you would come with us, so have fun. I was asking more than 1 year ago for this special backpack here, and this thing is amazing. Thank you so much to all the guys out there who gave me addresses where I can get them, and also sent me those backpacks. It's amazing. I really love this rucksack. It's sturdy, it's great looking, and it fits my needs. And that's the most important thing of all. It fits my needs. That's what a backpack should do. It should fit your needs. So if you are looking for a backpack, it has to fit your needs. And behind there is my trusty old haversack that I've done myself. And this haversack also fits inside this ruck here, because the middle portion of it, there's normally some space left for this haversack over there. And also for my sitting mat here. So all those things are fitting very well in this backpack. A special thanks, a really special thanks, I have to say, to Primal Edge and Leatherworks. Michael, thank you so much. You know why. And I know that this video with this backpack is far behind time, but thank you. Underneath there I have just rigged up this small little top, so I have shelter right at hand when it rains. And yeah, that's the gear. And what is inside this pack I will show you very soon. So we found something to eat and we want to show it to you. Right there.
Finally, after 2 days without food.
Can see it? A grub. Mmm, grub. Hopefully it is big enough for 3 people. Rid of the wood. Grub.
Du bleibt doch nichts mehr übrig für mich. Ja.
Schmeckt noch. Nix.
Schmeckt noch nichts. Wie immer.
Wie immer.
Tastes like nothing.
Like usual.
As always.
So my papa.
I need more grubs. That's wood's wisdom, the wood smoke.
Stick.
Okay, wir haben es aber ziemlich lang geschoben.
I got those 2 wonderful knives from my friend Sepp, Waldhandwerk. Wow, look at these beauties. This guy here is the Mora HQ Robust carbon steel blade, 3 mil plus blade stock, and a nice big handle. I love this, really. It's a little bigger than the Companion series, but I really love this handle. It fits so good in your hand. Wow. And this guy here is the Mora Companion Robust. And it also has this new designed handle, so all the robust knives with the thicker steel have those bigger handles, and they are fitting so good, really good. Take a look right there. Wow, Survival Mike. Thank you so much, Seb. Awesome, awesome blade. Also carbon steel. And with Mora knives, I definitely prefer carbon steel. They are so sharp, they are so good, so great carving knives. And this knob here, which is on the HQ Robust sheath, is designed so that you can hang another Mora right onto it. Maybe a smaller carving knife or whatever. Mora has a lot of knives in their line, and this is designed so that it snaps on, swivels a little bit around, but you can carry two knives and have just one on the belt. Wow. Great. What is better than enjoying a cold beer in the woods with good friends? Cheers!
Prost.
Ja, cheers. Cheers, fellas.
Schön, dass du da seid. Schön, dass ich da seid.
Good beer. Mm.
Mit Schnee. Da haben wir nur mit dem Schnee Wasser schmelzen können. Sehr gut. Vier dann mal teilen, aber der erste bisschen viel zu werden. Halt weg. Das ist nicht, gell? Ist schon wieder kalt. Ja, haben wir gleich auf, oder? Da.
You can bake the potatoes right in the ember of the fire, but you have to make sure that the embers are not that hot when you don't have aluminium foil at hand. And in bushcraft, or let's say emergency, you may get some potatoes anywhere, but aluminium foil, yeah, if you come into urban areas, maybe, but they are really good if you roast them in the embers. You can also slice them up and cook them that way, which would be much quicker. Sliced potatoes and steak. Nice. Yummy, yummy, yummy. That looks awesome. Time to barbecue. Take a look at those steaks and those sausages. Food for mans. Sepp is working down there and squaring off the spine of his Mora knife. For more information, take a look at his video. Stefan, tell us, how do you like it here?
I like it very much.
That's great.
Beer potato chips is maybe not the best thing.
Steak sandwich. Really good. If you take a closer look down there and up this small little path here, it's a deer trail and would be a good place to set a trap. But sadly, trapping animals in Austria is not allowed, and luckily we had enough steaks. It's so peaceful out here. I mean, if you are very silent, you can hear the birds. Hear the leaves rattling in the wind. And it's a wonderful day today. Sun is shining. And it's not normal, because normally there would be a ton of snow everywhere, because it's winter. Crazy weather. Take a look. Beautiful forest. Take a look at this beech tree. It's growing in any direction, trying to catch some sun, but right here you can see how funny this tree is growing. Beautiful one. Sepp has built himself a target over there and try to shoot it with his slingshot. So slingshot training.
Scheiße.
Nice! Bravo! I killed it! Slingshot training for beginners. Part 1.
Mm-hmm.